No, Lilo and Stitch.
No. Yes, Lilo and Stitch. You know that Lilo and Stitch is one of the best movies made by Disney. You were super duper extremely grounded for 9 days for saying that. Now come with me to the police car right now.
What do you think I'll do next? To be continued on White Ear A.